What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're doing some big stuff. Some stuff I've been waiting on. As you kind of see, we got some things marked off. I finally got a set of rear over fenders. I don't know. I guess let's look at them first.
It would be cool if you ordered 2 pairs, but okay.
Hey, I did order 2 pairs. Okay.
Unfortunately, I have to wait 6 months to get my pair. All right.
You're not even wrong. All right. Anyway, so what I have the Fineline Auto rear overs. A guy, Jason over at Rival, got me a pair, and I ordered 2. Huey doesn't believe me apparently. So we're gonna go ahead and put them on. So we're gonna do driver's side first, kind of. So we kind of did some prep stuff already because the camera was dead, but basically I've marked off back here because it kind of hooks back here, and I've been scratching the paint during test fitting. But cut line, yeah, we're ready to cut. Oh, we took the trim off. When we do the other side, we'll show you how to do that. And yeah, we're ready to start cutting. I think we'll cut and then we'll kind of let you guys in on the game plan. So let's get started. I did it!
Still caught on the backside?
Yeah, I just gotta make it.
You should totally take that piece and be like, I need some paint matched.
So I'm gonna keep cutting the inside stuff out, but
this is it for now. I think the front is gonna go down a little lower, right?
maybe. We'll see.
Yeah.
It's weird. So we made her cut, and we'll give you a closer look at that. I guess we'll talk about how I plan to do this when you see there's a giant gaping hole. If you're like Huey, you come over here one day and you're being mean, saying, are you gonna make it look nice? You know, like you've done it before. But so normally what you see is people, they cut the outer and then they cut the inner in like strips, and then they fold them up and weld it or like seam seal it, which works. But if you know, at least if you've seen mine, I've already cut a lot of the inside out just so I could stay low. So I can't do that, but also, so basically what the plan is, this is one layer, so we can leave that. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do here. Honestly, I could probably just cut the whole inner thing out and it'll be fine. And then that. So to seal the inside of the car though, what we're gonna do eventually, so the plan today actually is we're going drifting in 2 weeks. So the plan is to get these on so that I can use them, so I can pull a bunch of camber out. But I'm gonna come over here. So eventually what we'll do is we'll just make like a block off plate, and we'll weld it in there, and that seals everything without having to do like all that worrying about the inner tub, because once you cover that, it's all sealed, so you don't have to worry about anything. So that's the game plan for sealing the inside. Like I said, we're not doing that this time because we just want to get the fenders on for this drift event. All right, so for these we're gonna do, I don't want to do rivets, so we're gonna basically do something similar to the hood scoop, hood vent, riv nuts, and fasteners. They're somewhere. We have like mock-up fasteners I'm going to use, but I have some nice fasteners coming from Amazon anytime today. So yeah, let's kind of get started and we'll see what our game plan is. Oh, good morning.
Fit. I want to see
test
what it looks
fit.
like.
Oh shit!
Let me give you a hand. I guess you got to shape the door before you can close it, huh?
Maybe it's hitting further on the inside, so I don't know. We might have to trim some of this.
Trim some more before you can actually like lay that piece flat.
Yeah. Or. Yeah. So our plan is this hole here. I'm gonna put a riv nut in there, so it'll kind of be a hidden mounting hole.
In the factory molding spot.
Yeah, and then you can't run the door sensors with these, or you could, but I don't care to. But the threaded hole is still here, so we're gonna use that to mount the front. So yeah.
See where it's flimsy, and then figure out if we need to add more.
Yeah. It's mounted.
Trip on anything.
Yeah. But then the issue now is that the door doesn't close, which I knew was gonna be an issue, but. It's like the mold's too low here, but it lines up down here. So I don't know if I gotta cut more metal or I don't know. I'm trying to figure that out. So, but yeah, it's all that part looks good. Yeah,
it's mounted. We just gotta get the door to close.
It's hitting. It's rubbing right here. Yeah, it's rubbing right here, so I don't. It's like we can't move the fender lower because that's where it lines up on the tail light. So I'm not sure. Haven't figured it out yet. We got one side done. It took what I thought we could do all of it in, but yeah, it's mounted. It's actually pretty slick. I mean, it's got the door issue. It doesn't sit flush, but for today, I'm kind of done dealing with it. And since, you know, like I said at the beginning, the plan was just to get these on so I could use the extra space for Halloween. And then after that, we're gonna figure out what to do here to make this look nice. Yeah, I had to cut this out. So like I said, after the next event, we'll make all this pretty and figure this out, but it's like a bump here if you look at your stock door. So cut that out, hammered it, start to get the flare. We're gonna have to figure this out. We had to cut this out of the over, and I kind of have a feeling I might have to cut it all out, but I don't know. And then here we can show you the one nut cert that I'm real proud of down there. It's like tucked away in the little cubby. Happy. Oh, look at this line where it's rubbing.
Well, that's good. You know what you need, a clearance.
Yeah, but I don't want to cut that part. Anyway. But look, there's like, from the top of the tire to the fender, there's almost an inch extra clearance now, so I'll be able to pull at least, I think I want to pull a degree and a half out, so we'll see how that goes. But for now, that's it. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And goodbye.